How to set up VPN on Samsung devices. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also using Samsung devices just like me, then what you can do to set up your Samsung VPN is just head over to your search bar and find the VPN application. As you can see, it has been located as a Max VPN. It could be named as a Samsung Max VPN on your case, so it's the same for all Samsung users. So once you're inside here, once you open the app, just tap on this best location option, so it will automatically locate or change your VPN to your best location. As you can see, it's connected to match the Brazil from the for the VPN, and you can also actually change your location by simply heading down over here, and you can change to, let's say, Japan like this, and click on cancel. And as you can see, it has successfully connected to Japan VPN. So you can also upgrade your VPN plan to change the location you browse from. And as you can see, we have limited access to limited countries VPN, and to get more access to more countries, you can actually upgrade by simply paying them. If you don't want to pay, you can keep using this basic version of it. So it might show you ads in this case after some time, so you just gotta ignore it and use the VPN just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.